Here is a numerical type question. Work through the numbers carefully. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Structural isomers of alcohols have the general formula CnH, 2n+2O, and for C4H10O we need to draw all possible alcohols, compounds with an OH group, on a 4-carbon skeleton. Moving on to the next step. Identify the degree of unsaturation. Du is equal to 2 times 4 plus 2 to 10, 2 is equal to 0. So the molecule is fully saturated with no rings or double bonds, consistent with a simple alcohol. Moving on to the next step. Draw all possible 4-carbon skeletons and place the OH group at each unique position. Skeleton 1, straight chain, N-butane backbone CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Place OH on C1, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 of 1-butanol, primary alcohol. Place OH on C2, CH3, CH2, CH, or CH3 to butanol, secondary alcohol. Skeleton 2, branched chain, isobutane backbone, CH3 to CH3. Place OH on C1, the end carbon, CH3, to CH2 of 2-methyl-1-propanol, isobutanol, primary alcohol. Place OH on C2, the central carbon, CH3, 3-COH2-methyl-2-propanol, tert-butanol, tertiary alcohol. And for the final step, check for uniqueness. C3 of the straight chain is equivalent to C2 by symmetry, so it would give the same compound as placing on C2 from the other end. All 4 structures listed are distinct. Count the isomers. 1, 1-butanol. 2, 2-butanol. 3, 2-methyl, 1-propanol. 4, 2-methyl, 2-propanol. Total is equal to 4 structural isomers. Why no others? There are only 2 possible carbon skeletons for C4, straight and branched, and all unique OH placements on these skeletons have been accounted for. Therefore, the correct answer is 4. Therefore, the correct answer is 4.